What if I told you the Earth wasn't always solid? What if the world we live on was once nothing but a swirling mass of gases, slowly taking shape over billions of years? Let's unravel the incredible story of how our planet was born, not from solid ground, but from the air itself. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating mysteries of our existence. How did the Earth form from air? The story starts billions of years ago when the universe was still young. Grab your seatbelt, because we're about to journey back in time to discover the birth of our planet. The birth of the solar system. Our story starts about 4.6 billion years ago. Our sun was born from a massive cloud of gas and dust. This cloud, known as the solar nebula, was made up of mostly hydrogen, helium, and other elements. As gravity pulled the gases together, the sun ignited. But what happened next was even more incredible. As the sun burned bright, the leftover gas and dust didn't just disappear. They continued swirling around it. Slowly, these tiny particles began to collide and stick together, forming larger clumps. Over millions of years, these clumps grew into planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. Picture it, a chaotic, fiery dance of rocks, dust, and gas. Earth wasn't formed in one quick event, but instead in a slow and violent process. Each collision added more material to a growing, molten mass of rock. But Earth wasn't solid yet. It was a hot, molten ball with an atmosphere made mostly of gases. This atmosphere was very different from the air we breathe today. It was a mixture of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor, and traces of other gases. In a way, Earth was born from the very air that surrounded it. Gases formed the first layers of atmosphere, which would eventually help shape the planet's surface. After millions of years of constant bombardment, Earth began to cool down. As it cooled, the molten surface solidified, forming a thin crust. But the atmosphere was still thick with clouds of water vapor, which began to condense and fall as rain. This rain formed the first oceans, giving Earth a much-needed layer of protection from space. With oceans now in place, the next key ingredient for life was set. The atmosphere, rich in gases like carbon dioxide, helped create the conditions for life to form in the oceans. Over millions of years, simple life forms evolved, and from this, Earth became the vibrant, life-sustaining planet we know today. Fast forward to today, and Earth is a world of land, air, and water, teeming with life. The gases that once surrounded the young Earth still play a crucial role in maintaining our climate and supporting life. The air we breathe, the oceans, the land, all of it was born from a time when our planet was nothing but a swirling mass of gases.